What a lovely scene. As you can see, fields are getting irrigated. Hi guys, I am back again to share my this month's iStock income. Actually, iStock, you know what happens? iStock in the 20th of this month will give me the earning of the previous month. So right now we'll be seeing the total earning of January. Alright, so first let's get to the iStock contributor app by Get Images. Over there I can first check out my best sellers. Now right away, this is my total sales in January. As you can see, I can select January 2021, and let's hang on for a bit because my internet is appears to be dead. And we can see we are back. I had 66 sales, but the values are not being shown in the contributor app, but we can still see the best sellers. This photo of my baby got 12 views and 3 sales, and the top 5 best sellers again, me and my baby, medical image of a glass slide, image at the airport where a health worker is testing the infrared COVID temperature, then a photo of a bed, the famous photo of my wife which is being sold a lot, then picture of me in the mirror image. So those are my best sellers. Now let's check the values. In order to check the values, again see, so these are my best sellers. Now check the exact value, we need to log into the ESP website via Google Chrome or any mobile web browser in your phone, because today we are checking from the phone, right? So we need to go to my performance and then royalties. When we go to royalties, we need to download the txt or the text file. So over here we need to click on export, and there's the text file. We can see it's already selected. Let's zoom, see monthly 2021 January all contract text file. Then we need to click on the downloads. Download is pending. See, it's saying this text file 202.101.483322. Oh, all right. So now we need to log into Today is 20 website. So new tab. Let's open Today is 20. I'm very slow with mobile applications. And on top of that, my internet is also slow. Anyway, so first we need to log in to Today is 20. I hope Google has stored my username and password. I always click remember. Now you see December 2020, my last sales update, $51.88 with 76 photos sold. Now let's see what's my total income of this month. So here you need to select file manager. I need to select the file, and then we need to upload the file. So first we need to find the file in my phone hard drive. Where is it downloaded? So here is the text file. All right, I'll simply click on this and then it will load and a green tick will appear. Now let's wait for it to process in the Today is 20 website. Uploaded one item, we are done. Now we will simply go back to the monthly sale, and then it will show January 2021. See how pathetic my sale is compared to my previous month. Previous month it was over $50. Now with 66 photos sold, the total earning is just under $30, so 28.79. So the best seller, actually which was not showing in the contributor app, is actually a photo which has been downloaded for $2.95. Then this photo of slide, it has been downloaded 3 times with $2.59 total value. Then you can see so on and so forth. And actually the one which is showing to be best seller in the contributor app is actually not that best seller because it sold thrice, that is fine, but $1.21. So total 66 download, 28.79 US dollar. That's my total income for iStock in January 2021. If you are still watching this video, please type code of the day January, and I will see you soon with my total stock photography earnings for January. No, I'm sorry, for February within a few days. Anyways guys, bye and take care. Thanks for watching.